Alright, here we are back on Andrew's 636. Last time I was choppy on the throttle. I'm trying not to be choppy this time. It's my goal. Alright, I chopped a little there. Alright, I'm chopping again. I'm chopping again, baby. It's just too fast. It's just too fast. Yeah, I don't know. This feels definitely faster than... Jesus, this shit is fucking fast. Holy fuck. This might be... Alright, this definitely isn't my redemption video because I still don't know what the fuck I'm doing on this shit. Hello! Ooh, so good. Such a good bike. I love it. Chopping, chopping. Hello, chopping. Chop. Chopperachi. Choppy Hichachi. Should probably be changing gears too, but whatever, yo. fucking Christ. This bike's a monster.
What?
I still think this is way more exhilarating.
It feels faster.
It feels way faster.
Like, so I was in 4th, and like going 100 something, it feels like my bike. But I think once you get to like 5 and 6, like the power that's in 5 and 6,
right,
way more than this bike.
Yeah, on mine.
Yeah.
No, in 4th gear, dude, I'm like fucking, yeah, it's just a different feeling. I feel like I'm going into the future, so like I'm like time traveling.
Yeah, no, it's fucking crazy.
It's ridiculous.
That's the thing I got on this bike, and it's not like your Tiger, because like going around turns, I felt so scared. I was like so high that when you lean, it feels like you're leaning more than you are.
No, but it's way easier to turn than my Tiger.
No, it is. It's comfortable.
Yeah.
It's just because I'm not leaning. Like because I'm not like, off the bike and like going up, like getting off the bike.
Right.
It just feels like my body is leaning more.
I actually find that easier to turn than this.
I don't know. This is what we're comfortable with.
Yeah, this thing though, dude. Plus there's no like bike under your helmet. So you just feel like you're like fucking flying. Yeah.
Especially when you're going fast and you're...
That I feel super way safer than on this thing.
Of course.
Yeah. But it's fucking fast, right? Did you like, did you redline in like 2nd and 3rd?
I didn't redline it. I just switched whenever the thing came on.
Right.
Yeah. I don't want to break it.
No.
No, that thing's fast. It feels bigger than it looks.
You think so?
When you're sitting on it, it feels bigger.
Oh yeah, but when I'm moving, I think it feels super light. Like when I'm just like...
Yeah. It's really easy in that bike to look around a corner and make the turn. Because you just look and then you...
No, I couldn't do twisties on this, dude. I feel like I would just flop over immediately.
It's just a matter of getting used to it.
Yeah.
It's crazy though, dude. I got up till maybe 4th. It's like
nothing.
Yeah, there's just, it doesn't even compare.
Especially once you pass halfway.
Yeah.
It's just like, brr.
Yeah, no, I brought it into like maybe 14K in 4th, and I was like, whoa. It's so awesome. Yeah, you don't need anything faster than that, dude. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous.
I can't even take this as fast as it can go. You know?
No way. In 4th gear, that's it. You're done.
Yeah, which is why I think I'm gonna do dirt bike.
Yeah, this is so good. It's such a good bike. I was still choppy on the throttle because I was scared. That shit's ridiculous.
I kind of want to take... Chris, can I take your bike?
Yeah.
You sure? You want to try my bike?
Yeah.
It's scary.
Maybe like on a straight, flat parking lot.
It's scary, and his clutch lets out like pretty quickly.
Oh, actually, if we want to... You guys have been waiting. We can take off.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go home. But your gearbox is good, man. It's easy to shift. Yeah.
You don't even need... So, like, this bike, you know your auto blipper?
Yeah. Did you use the auto blipper?
Without the clutch.
You can auto blip on this up?
Yeah. You just...
Up?
No, it's not auto blip. It's... You go off the throttle without the clutch. You go off the throttle quick, flick your wrist.
Oh, but you have to be in the right RPM. You can't do that at 13,000.
But you wouldn't want to on this either, even though it's an auto blipper.
No, I shift on this when the light turns.
Right.
And that's at like...
That's telling you when the right RPM is.
No, that's telling you that you're about to redline.
No.
Yes. No. Yeah, I set that, dude.
It tells you here.
Yeah.
About to redline is here.
Yeah. So it tells you before you're going to redline. It's like you should switch now. You're going to redline soon.
Wait, does it say that, or does it say in German?
Yeah. You're going to redline soon, silly goose. You should probably switch to a higher gear. Yeah, no, you don't need a fucking double R, dude. This thing's a fucking monster.
But what I like about the double R is that you can switch it to street mode, and it feels like my bike.
Right.
Like when we were fucking around on that shit,
yeah.
It felt like my bike.
Don't drop it, Chris. It's a monster, dude, compared to your bike. Yeah, it's a good bike. You're wire by throttle, right? Yeah.
I'm what?
Throttle by wire. Is this a direct? This is a throttle by wire, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's electronic. It's all electronic.
No. There's a wire.
There's a physical wire? It's not just an electronic impulse?
Yeah, no, there's a physical wire.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that was fun. I needed that. That woke me the fuck up, dude. I was like terrified.
Yeah, it sounds great. I love hearing, because I don't ever get to hear my bike off my bike.
Yeah.
It sounds nice.
It's so easy to get to all your shit.
Oh, did you hear it from like way down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This bike sounds really nice too.
Yeah, it sounds good, yeah.
Yeah, just the fact
Everything.
Did you use the clutch or you did all auto?
Auto blip.
You did all auto, right?
Yeah.
Down 2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I forgot for a second when I got on yours. I forgot that you don't have that.
That's what I mean. See,
Yeah.
This is the point I was trying to make the other day.
I was like, oh.
Yeah.
I was like, oh wait, fuck. No, but then once I started shifting, it was like right back to it. It was super comfortable. But I completely forgot. I was just gonna try to shift your bike.
Well, the thing is, it's not even, it's just gonna like not go.
Huh?
Be like, nope.